Let's start off with this SUV driver who failed to yield the right-of-way to my already stopped vehicle at this three-way stop.
Whoa! What the fuck are you doing? I had the right-of-way, asshole!
The lady driving this car had already failed to stop at one stop sign and nearly ran into a turning vehicle. The reckless behavior continued at the next two stop signs.
Holy crap, you didn't even come to a stop! Not even close. You can bet your sweet ass she's not going to stop at the one up here. Nope, she just blew right through that one too.
As I do in all of my videos, it's time to marvel at the constant and aggressive red light runners.
Yeah, I told him we're going to be watching.
That's a red light there, lady.
Mind you, he was...
That's a red light you just ran there, buddy. That's a red light you're going through, buddy. Although I'm sure you're quite aware of it. Oh, there's a nice red light. Well done. That's a red light. That's okay, lady. Uh-huh. Holy cow. That's a red light there, young lady. Guess you couldn't stop for that light, even though I could.
People who fail to use their turn indicators is another common issue in these parts.
Nice signal. Nice signal for a lane change. Fuck, you'd think a Cadillac they'd be able to put turn signals in it for the price.
I'm not sure if this guy didn't notice the no left turn sign coming off the bridge, or just didn't care.
There's no left turn there, buddy.
And finally, always keep your eyes on the road. You never know what you might find in your way.
Yikes.